Welcome back to 7 News this Sunday morning. It's about 14 minutes after 7 right now. A live look from our Boulder cam this morning. Definitely more clouds this morning. A little dreary out there, but meteorologist Marie McCann will let us know how much rain we can expect to see in just a little bit. In the meantime, back in the studio this morning, the possible dangers of kitty litter being linked to suicide have really a lot of people talking lately. Some researchers found that pet owners can be infected. This is by a common parasite found in cat litter. So here to help us break it all down is Dr. Dean Vicksman with Evans East Animal Hospital. Thank you for being here this morning.
Thank you.
So with this study, what exactly did researchers find in regards to the possible link between health concerns and kitty litter?
Well, what we're talking about is toxoplasmosis. And what's been found in the past is that toxoplasmosis has had a link to behavioral changes in both people and in mice. And the good news here, though, about this is that it can be really scary when you think about that. But the good news is that it's very preventable, as long as we understand how you catch it.
Where else can you find this parasite besides in kitty litter?
Well, the two places that you find it, you mentioned, are kitty litter. Actually, it's cat feces is the main place that you find it, or where cat feces has been. But the other place that you find it most commonly is in undercooked meat. And so if we understand those two concepts as to where it comes from, then it's easy to understand the things that we can do to help prevent it, which is mostly good hygiene. So think about washing your hands after you've handled your cat. Also, think about washing your hands after you mess with the litter box. Even better, wear gloves when you're handling the litter box. Also, don't eat undercooked meat. Another thing that cat owners can do is to not let their cats go outdoors, because predatory behavior, eating mice, eating things like that, is the main way that your cat catches this disease. So by doing those things, they can help really minimize their risk.
I think you were talking about before during the break that one particular group to be concerned are pregnant women.
That's correct. Right? That's because this disease can actually spread across the placenta to a woman's unborn baby. And so I think it's really important that pregnant women try not to handle that litter box while they're pregnant and find somebody else who can. Obviously, if that is a situation that can't be, that they're the only one with that cat, then they can also take special precautions. Number one, again, using gloves when handling the litter box. And also, it's so important to clean the litter box daily, because it does take over 24 hours for that organism to actually become infectious in the cat's stool. So if they can do it daily and use gloves, that can really help. But more importantly, really try and find somebody else to handle that litter box if you're pregnant.
And also washing your hands is important. We
so
talked about
important.
that. Even with dog food, when you're handling dog food afterwards, I always wash my hands before you do anything else.
Good hygiene is so important. It's the best way to really prevent what we call these zoonotic diseases, which are diseases that are transmissible from pets to people.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Dean Vicksman with Evans East Animal Hospital, for joining us this morning. We appreciate it.
Thank you.